I have previously used products from Doogee, especially their tablets, which are very good to use. Considering their prices, the build quality is excellent. I am also using one of their tablet as my daily driver, and this time around, Doogee has unveiled a new tablet with the model number T30S, and they were very kind enough to send that tablet to me. So here it is. The unboxing experience was quite simple. You get the tablet, its Type-C cable, adapter and some user manual. However, the star of the show is the tablet itself, where the T30S comes in a compact design and sports high-resolution display. Talking about the display though, it features a 2.4K 11-inch ultra-clear display which is very bright as well, so you can use it in a bright daylight. One thing more, the design of this thing is very good. Plus the tablet itself is very lightweight and thin. It only weighs around 506 grams and have 7.6 mm thickness. So you can carry this tablet everywhere you go due to not having much of the weight. Anyway, now let's talk about the performance. Well, this thing is very decent when it comes to the performance. It has a Spectrum T606 chipset inside, which is basically an octa-core processor with 8 computing cores and speeds up to 1.6 GHz. While the physical RAM of the T30S is 6 GB, Doogee advertises that this is an expandable virtually to 16 GB, which is incredible. The tablet has an external storage capacity of 256 GB, which is also expandable via a memory SD card. Moving on, this tablet has a large 8580 mAh of battery. I tested it myself, and believe me, the battery can easily last up to 2 days, which is also incredible. One thing more, Doogee T30S features smart PA quad speakers by Hi-Res that delivers exceptionally good sound quality. Whether you're watching videos, video conferencing, or enjoying your favorite tunes, the audio quality will not let you down. Anyway, you can also put your SIM cards in this tablet, which is also very handy. Plus, it has a headphone jack, which nowadays other smartphones doesn't have, which is also a great gesture. It has a 13-megapixel main camera and an 8-megapixel front-facing camera. The overall quality of the cameras are not so good, but I hope you're not purchasing the tablet for the cameras, right? Anyway, the T30S runs on Android 13 out of the box, but it is unclear the number of operating system upgrades available for the tablet. So how do you like it? If you want to purchase the tablet, the link will be in my description below, and do let me know your thoughts on it in the comment section below. And as always, the story continues, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.